Shut up, clock in and load up.
Boas malta, bem-vindos aqui ao meu canal, mais um videozinho de domingo, como eu vou começar a trazer todas as semanas. Aqui a equipa dos Tasqueiros foram jogar ao clube Airsoft Balongo, um campo excelente, com muito potencial. Os Tasqueiros conseguiram obter os objetivos com sucesso, mesmo não conhecendo o campo, e espero que gostem da gameplay.
Vamos lá na esquerda. Matei, eu acho eu. Matei um, acho eu. Oh! Devia de ir alguém à volta! Ou mato! Acho que matei outra vez. Acho que matei um outra vez. Opa, vai ser fodido, um gajo daqui não sai assim, meu. O gajo tem que ir à volta. Alguém tem que ir à volta, meu. Passou um para dentro. Acho que morri.
Aqui podem ver que temos uma pessoa dos Tasqueiros a trazer já um objetivo, e também de salientar, pessoal, neste jogo estávamos 7 para 7, se não estou em erro. Estávamos muito poucos para o campo, ou o tamanho que o campo tinha.
Matei, estavam a avançar. Eu não sei se está mais. Não está morto, está morto. Cobra a porta. Deixa ele avançar.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars, in fact I blast tasteful bars and past, I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap, I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise, now I'm not the one confused, call the shots that I produce, I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse, I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being you, everybody wants a piece now, Y'all can rest in peace now, you're dead to me, so peace out.
Vai dar-nos tanto
Remember, you just
interesse
freaked out. Get
e
ready for
volta.
defeat now. I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen on repeat now and weed out all the weak now. Get up and make a change. Don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before your grave. Cause your life is yours to save. Ain't nobody gonna change. Everybody stays the same. So be different, make a name,
like
huh?
a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over.
It's ridiculous, I'm spitting this meticulous and limitless. While others out there spitting shit got hits up on the charts and shit. I see why other artists quit, cause people don't reward your shit. They love to hate but hate to live. Society, you swing and miss. And honestly, I get it. Promise me you won't regret it. Wasting energy, forget it. Don't look back, go on and get it. Bite the bullet just a bit. Bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss. Be a legend, not a myth. Yeah. It's obnoxious that I'm conscious. Rapping honest as promise. Try to harness. As an artist, stay modest. It's a long quest. I will not quit till 10,000 people going off. When I drop this, I gotta make it now. Swear to God, I'm breaking out. Swear to God, I'll take a bow. Stand the stage with the crowd, cause I got it figured out. I'm just honest and I'm loud. Saying modest, but I'm proud. No, I never had a doubt,
Like
yeah.
a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind the fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no
Morto.
brag. I
Ó
want
tiro.
you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Adrenaline, the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I can play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible if you just so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Morto.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Morreste.
Bem, aqui de seguida, esta pessoa que eu matei voltou ao jogo, voltou para me vir matar. No entanto, ele disparou pelas minhas costas, que não me acertou, ou pelo menos não senti nenhum tiro, e começou a reclamar, como podem ver nas imagens. Eu ainda lhe cheguei a acertar um tiro, mas como ele começou a reclamar, dei-me como morto e saí.